It is 95 degrees outside, stuck in traffic, and that fuel gauge is dropping faster than you'd like. We've all been there, finger hovering over the AC button, wondering, is staying cool worth emptying my wallet at the pump? Hey there, drivers, it's Brian, your honest mechanic. Today we're tackling a question I get all the time in the summer months. Does running your car's AC destroy your gas mileage? Let's cut through the myths and get to the cold hard facts. If you came in for the short answer, then yes, using your air conditioning does reduce your fuel efficiency. But it's not as simple as you might think. The impact varies based on your speed, your vehicle type, and even the outside temperature. How AC works in your vehicle. Let's quickly break down what happens when you press that AC button. Your car's air conditioning system is powered by the engine. Specifically, the compressor, the heart of the AC system, is driven by a belt connected to your engine's crankshaft. When you turn on the AC, this compressor kicks in and creates additional load on the engine. Your engine needs to work harder, burning more fuel to maintain the same performance while also powering the AC system. So, how much gas are we actually talking about? Studies show that using your AC can reduce your fuel economy by about 3 to 10% depending on the vehicle. Smaller, less powerful engines will feel this impact more than larger ones. For perspective, if your car normally gets 30 miles per gallon, running the AC might drop that to somewhere between 27 and 29 mpg. This translates to using about 0.2 to 0.4 more gallons of gas per 100 miles driven. Speed matters. Highway versus city driving. Here's where it gets interesting. At highway speeds, using your AC is actually more fuel efficient than driving with your windows down. Why? Aerodynamics. When you're cruising at 55 plus mph, open windows create significant drag on your vehicle. This aerodynamic resistance can reduce fuel efficiency more than running the AC would. Multiple tests have confirmed that above speeds of about 50 miles per hour, AC is the more fuel-efficient choice compared to open windows. In stop-and-go city traffic, however, the opposite is true. At lower speeds, the drag from open windows is minimal, while the AC compressor continues drawing power from your engine. Want to maximize efficiency while staying cool? Here are some proven strategies. Pre-cool your car when possible. If you're parked, open the doors and windows for 30 seconds before driving to let the hot air escape. Use the recirculate setting once your car is cool. This reduces the energy needed to cool fresh hot air from outside. Maintain your AC system properly. A well-functioning system works more efficiently than one that's struggling. Use the Eco AC setting if your car has one. Many newer vehicles offer this feature, which balances cooling with fuel economy. Consider using the fan only on milder days when you don't need full cooling power. In newer vehicles with more efficient engines and better designed AC systems, the impact on fuel economy is less pronounced than in older models. What about EVs, you may ask? For electric vehicles, using the AC can reduce range by roughly 10 to 15% in extreme conditions, though many EVs use heat pump technology that's more efficient than traditional AC systems. So, does your car's AC kill your gas mileage? Yes, but with some important nuance. At highway speeds, it's actually more efficient than the alternative of open windows. In city driving, the impact is real but manageable. The bottom line, don't sweat it too much. The difference in most driving scenarios amounts to pennies per trip, and your comfort behind the wheel matters for safe, focused driving. If you're really concerned about maximizing every drop of fuel, try the strategies we discussed to use your AC more efficiently. That's it for today, folks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive insights. Drop your car cooling questions in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.